Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Studio Jen. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you what to do when someone copies your video that you created and made on YouTube and uploads it on their own channel. There are two different ways to go about this. So first of all, YouTube has a built-in system where they will warn you if someone is or has stolen some of your content, and they will share with you the video link and give you the option to ask that person to take it down. So I right now took down one, and I have two different people who have stolen one of my videos and uploaded it to try to get views to their channel, even though the entire video is mine that I worked very hard to create. So what you're going to do when you log on to your YouTube channel, you're going to click on the icon and of course go to YouTube Studio. Once you're on YouTube Studio, at the side here, you'll scroll down and you're going to click on Copyright. Now here, it will show you matches to any video that has your content. Now, it might take a while for YouTube to pick up on this. For example, I just got this notification today and it's July 9th, and this person uploaded my video. They copied my video on 28th of June. So this, you can see the amount of views. So this one's only 4, but I've had other videos here that had 1,000 views that should have been my views to my video, and they just copied my content. So this is 100% of my video. They've literally just copied the entire video. And then you can go ahead and click, and you can see the YouTube channel of the person who has copied my channel. And you can also click on the video itself. So what you're going to do, this is the easiest way to do it, is you're going to click here on the little box and you're going to go to Request Removal. You could choose to contact the channel, or you can just click on Request Video Removal. Then you're going to pop up the Request Video Removal form. And here you're going to have all of your information. You're going to have to put in your real information, your phone number, your address. But don't worry, this information will remain confidential unless requested as part of a lawsuit. So obviously, this person isn't going to get your information, your personal information, so you don't have to worry about them, sending you something crazy or doing something crazy. Then at the top here, the one section you will have to fill out, all of the other information should be put in automatically. It says relationship to copyrighted content required. So your job title or role relating to the content in question. And I would just put, because I created it, creator, I created this content. Okay, then you'll scroll down. It will tell you the video that you've requested for removal. And then here you've got different options. Removal timing, scheduled, send a 7-day notice. Once the request is validate, YouTube gives the uploader 7 days to remove the video and avoid a copyright strike. If they don't, the video is removed after 7 days. Or standard, request removal now. These removals can lead to a copyright strike. YouTube processes the video removal after validating the request. I just click on this one. Why do I want to give the person 7 days? They've stolen my content. They don't care. So I don't care about them getting a copyright strike. So you put standard request removal now. Then you're going to agree to the legal agreement saying that this is 100% my content. You can't do this for a video that, say it's your competition or something. You can't do that. It has to be your actual content, because if you use this tool and it's not your video, then, you can risk getting your YouTube account terminated. So only do it if you're 100% sure that someone has stolen your content, which has happened to me many times. Then you're going to put in your name, your full legal name. And once you're done that, you click Submit. Then under matches, now there's no more matches. So no one, there's no other thing that has been flagged of someone stealing my videos. Then you can click on Removal Requests. And here you can see all the different removal requests. So you can see here, I had this one that was copied and it's been resolved. The video has been removed. Here, the video is removed. Here, video removed. And then I have 2 right here that are under review that I've just submitted today. The other way to do it is, say you find a video that is your video, or they've copied, a large portion of your video, and it hasn't actually popped up yet under matches. Well, you can manually submit a copyright complaint and a request for YouTube to take down the video. So for example, this is the video that I'm getting taken down by someone who has stolen the video from me. So you can go to the video that you want to have taken down that has stolen your content, and you click on these three icons, and then you're going to click report. Then you'll scroll down and you'll go to infringes my rights. Then you'll choose infringes my copyright. You could also choose invades my privacy. For example, say someone uploaded a video of you to YouTube and you don't want that there. You could click on that. Infringes my copyright, then click next. Then this will get you to a YouTube answer form. Try to do this on your computer, it just works better. And you're going to click on submit a copyright complaint. And then you're going to follow these steps here. So you'd click copyright infringement, someone copied my creation. Copyright infringement, who is affected? I am, or it could be my company, organization, or client. Then here you have to put the URL. So you go back to the video that they copied and you'll click on it or highlight it all, right click, copy. You'll go back over here and you'll right click, paste. Describe the work allegedly infringed. Okay, so obviously this has said invalid URL because it says you previously submitted a removal request for this video, but I'm just going to do this, show you this process for the manual method. Then here you will click, it could be anything. It could be my name, my song, my software, my artwork, my live performance, etc. I'm going to click my YouTube video was re-uploaded by another user. Then they say the YouTube URL of my original video. So you'll go back to your video list and you'll find the video that is your video that people are copying. Then click on share and then click on copy, and that will copy this link right here. Then we'll go back and we'll right click and go to paste. Then it says where does the content appear, entire video or timestamps. So if it's literally the entire video, you'd click that. But you might also click timestamps. So let's say, someone only copied from 30 seconds to 3 minutes. You could put that in there. And then if you do it this option, you'd have to put in also where does it appear in your source video. You can also add another video if, let's say this channel has, if you want to do multiple videos, you could click add another video. Then you've got tell us about yourself. So you'll put your name, your legal name, your street address, your authority to make this complaint. So that would mean, I am the creator of this video, for example. And then you would check all of these, that you are the owner or the agent authorized to act on behalf of the owner. For example, if you're working for a company and someone else has uploaded the company's video. You would check all of these boxes to say that you understand that this is, correct, all of this information, this is your video. And then you would type in your full name again. And again, you would go to I'm not a robot, submit complaint. And when this is done, you can go back into your section here and click on removal requests, and that will pop up. Then it says to retract a takedown, email copyright@youtube.com from the email address associated with your YouTube account, specifying the video in question. So let's say there's been a misunderstanding and the person has contacted you and said, I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to, and you felt bad and you wanted to take it down, then you can do that as well. So yeah, this is basically how to take down a video, either automatically with the YouTube auto match system or manually if you find a video that has been stolen from you. Thanks again for watching this tutorial, and if you want more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe to Studio Jen, my channel that I am building to be all about YouTube, creating videos for YouTube or designing or graphic design and so forth. So thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.